Text evergreen.
It's so icy! Oh!
Let's go!
Let's go! Okay, once we get into third gear, we'll be good.
Get grip. Oh yeah.
Alright, this is Chan's new E30. What is it, 318i or something?
Oh yeah, it's a 1.8 liter, you know?
This is great.
It's got some Hackapalitas on this.
Woo!
Alright.
It's bumpy in here, man.
Oh, it's bumped, dude. These cut springs.
Yeah.
And then start line, go, FR Legends. And he's off.
Oh, okay. You're trying to go backwards entry into that one.
Yeah.
Ah.
But it's really icy.
Yeah. Dude, do an entry into this one. Do third gear.
Oh, I can't do this one.
Why?
To save my life. It is the sketchiest thing in the world.
Do you want to come for a ride with me?
Yeah, I do.
Now we got a bit more traction, we got a bit more man meat in here.
God.
Dude, he's hauling. He's strong in the wheelbarrow.
Pretty good save, I'll give you that. Yo, what the fuck? How do we get out of here? Here we go.
How did you miss? I didn't have anything. I literally did. How did you go that far? How did you go that far? Tracks, man. I don't know. Oh my God. I don't know how you went that.
All right, guys, so it is the day after all of the drifting. It's Sunday now, and I have pulled my rear diff out. She used to be in there, and now she's right here. Sorry if I've been under the car for like 3 hours, so I look rough. Basically, I was drifting with an open diff that whole time. It one wheel peels so hard. It's really inconsistent. What I was able to do there was like, I can't believe I was able to do that on an open diff. But we're welding this thing right now. So I'm gonna crack it open, and then we're gonna head over to Buddha's house and weld it. And then I'm gonna slap it in, and I'm not really gonna film any of it because there's a million other videos of welding E46 diffs and pulling them out and stuff on YouTube. But just know that if you are gonna pull your diff on an E46, people say it takes 6 hours. It doesn't. If you really work hard at it with 2 people, you could probably get it out in an hour. If none of your bolts are super messed up. But yeah, it took, by myself, it took me like 2.5 hours of solid work. So, yeah. Sick. Skids. All right, guys. So I didn't film that whole process there. I went over to Buddha's place. We welded the diff. There it is now. You can see I got the new RTV gasket stuff. We were going to do plates in it, but we ended up just basically laying in so much weld that the plates seemed kind of useless, especially for my horsepower level. This thing is not packing quite the punch. So yeah, got that all done up. I filled it up with some Redline 75 W90, 1.5 liters, just tossed it in, and then I put the cap on and RTV'd that junk. But I'm not gonna be able to get the diff in tonight, so I'm gonna have to come back here tomorrow and do it. But I gotta get this vlog up for tomorrow because it's Sunday. So this is where we're gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed the drifting content, and this is gonna make things a lot more exciting. Next weekend, fingers crossed, RMDC gets enough snow, and we'll be going out there for their first like winter drift practice, which will be really cool. My first time bringing a car, my own car, to drift at RMDC, which will be dope. The old Beamer is, you know, she's working. She drives great. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks to all the new subs, and see you in the next video. Pizza.